All right, so yesterday we read the book Ella Fitzgerald, The Tale of a Vocal Virtuosa. It's written by Andrea David Pinkney and illustrated by Brian Pinkney. The genre is nonfiction and biography. So as a teenager, Ella Fitzgerald wanted to be a dancer, but her first time on stage in a talent contest, she was paralyzed by her nerves. So she started singing instead. She won the contest and rose to stardom, joining the Chick Webb Orchestra and singing at the fabled Savory Ballroom in New York City of the USA. As swing gave way to bebop, Ella adapted, becoming famous for her scat singing, culminating in a legendary Carnegie Hall performance. So, after reading this book, there on page 17, this is a quote. So Ella's popularity showed them that a true star has no color, it just shines. In your readers and writers notebook, please write down, what does this metaphor mean to you?